Why UPSC? No self motivation. Don't go through syllabus and previous year questions. Prepare without a proper strategy. Change strategy too often. Follow everyone's plan one by one instead of making your own plan. Read many books for single subject or topic. No multiple revision. Don't do MCQ solving and essay and answer writing practice. Focus only on prelims. Ignore ethics, essays, and optional. Don't go through NCRTs. Don't read newspaper daily. Collect new notes and study it whenever possible. No consistency in preparation. Study to become an expert, not to crack exam. Prepare for all other government exam with UPSC CSE. Use all social media platforms. Attend every friends and family functions. Do not study on weekends. Start answer writing practice from the day you start preparation. I know everything attitude, no patience. Ignore basic skills like handwriting, grammar, content presentation. Work like an ass without any smartness. Choose optional as per trend. No discipline. Don't check and balance your study. Too many friends apart from preparation. Always give excuses. No learning from failure. Make same mistakes again and again. No improvement on feedback. Open YouTube for study but waste time in shorts or unnecessary videos. Too much breaks at study times. Always think negative. Ignore complex concepts without trying to understand. Ignore CSAT. Too much planning without execution. Overconfidence. चाय पे चर्चा on unnecessary topic issue. Too much pressure. Too much focus on plan B. Too much relying on coaching. Wasting attempts without proper preparation. Poor time management in exam. Not believe in yourself. Lack of confidence. Play blame game. No daily, weekly, and monthly plan. PhD approach. Not asking why, when, what, how while studying. Wasting too much time in reading newspaper. Lack in interconnecting subject. Not focus on your physical and mental health. Not giving reward and no self punishment. Panic in last moment of exam. In interview, lying, arguing, lack of confidence in giving answer, tone, command on language not being balanced, dress code, etc. Not studying as per the UPSC syllabus. आज करे सो कल कर, कल करे सो परसों, इतनी भी क्या जल्दी है जब उम्र पड़ी है बरसों. दिस